Welcome to Sek Math Academy. In this lesson, we are going to see P2 Pure Maths Edexcel IAL Chapter 1 Exercise 1E Proof Challenge question number 1. Okay, look at the question. Prove that A 7,8, B -1,8, C 6,1, D 0,9. A is 7,8. Okay, this is A 7,8. B -1,8, -1,8. C 6,1. D 0,9. Then how to find the center? There is one property of circle is perpendicular bisector of the chord. Perpendicular bisector of the chord are passing through center of the circle. Okay, suppose this is the chord. How to find the perpendicular bisector? Find the midpoint. What formula you will use? x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Find the midpoint. And from this, it is a bisector point. From this, we have to find perpendicular bisector line. Okay, this equation, this gradient and this gradient are perpendicular, means m1 times m2 is -1. Suppose this is 3, this will be -1 by 3. m2 is -1 over m1. Okay, so we know point and we know the gradient, because this gradient is m1 means this is -1 over m1, and point we have found out from the midpoint formula. Then we can find perpendicular bisector, but it is passing through the center. But where this point is there, here, where it is, we don't know. Another one chord, suppose this is another one chord. This perpendicular bisector is also passing through center. Find their midpoint, their gradient, and use the negative reciprocal of the gradient and use the midpoint. Find the perpendicular bisector of the line. These two intersect at one particular point, that is called center of the circle, because this is also passing through the center of the circle. So this is also passing through the center of the circle. Find the intersecting point, that is the center of the circle. From that we can find out. But here, as I said, always don't plot the point, just simple. A is 7,8, -1,8, 0,9, 6,1. Don't plot the points on the circle simply. Just roughly plot the points according to the coordinate of the graph. Okay, then it will be helpful to find midpoint. You see, this is 8 and this is 8. A y coordinate, B y coordinate is 8, is AB is horizontal line. That means this equation is y equal to 8. Okay, this gradient is 0. What is this midpoint? 7 minus 1 is 6, 6 by 2 is 3. 8 plus 8 divided by 2 is 3,8. This is the midpoint. Okay, what is the perpendicular bisector? It will be x is equal to 3. This is a perpendicular bisector line. So the center x coordinate is 3, we found out. Then another one we need to find out. D is 0,9, it is a 6,1. This is another chord. Okay, but this chord accidentally it is what is called diameter. Okay, 0 plus 6 divided by 2 is 3. 9 plus 1 divided by 2 is 10 divided by 2 is 5. So this midpoint is 3 comma 5. Okay, 3 comma 5. So this perpendicular bisector is here we are not finding CD perpendicular bisector. Even in that chord itself it is intersecting. Okay, so what we conclude, this center is 3 comma 5. You understand? We have not drawn BD perpendicular bisector. Even BD line itself, CD line itself are intersecting AB perpendicular bisector. So what is the circle equation now? We found out x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 5 whole square is equal to r squared. Or how to find out? Take this from this point to any one. 7 minus 3. Use the distance formula, square root of x2 minus x1 whole square. 7 minus 3 is 4. 4 square plus 8 minus 5, 3 square. So 16 plus 9 is 25. So 5 squared we found out. Okay. So A, with the help of A, we found out radius. Check 0 comma D point, B point, C point in place of x and y. Okay, I am substituting D. 0 in place of x, I am substituting 0. In place of y, I am substituting 9. 0 minus 3 is minus 3. Minus 3 squared is 9. Plus, in place of y, I am substituting 9. 9 minus 5 is 4. 4 squared is 16. 25. So D point is also on the line. Then B, minus 1 comma 8. In place of x, I am substituting minus 1. Minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4. Minus 4 squared is 16. In place of y, I am substituting 8. 8 minus 5 is 3. 3 square is 9. 16 plus 9, 25, balanced. Then 6 comma 1. 6 minus 3 is 3 square is 9. 1 minus 5 is minus 4 whole squared is 16. So it is 25. So with the help of A, we found the equation and we checked the point 0 comma 9 minus 1 comma 8 and 6 comma 1 in place of respectively in the x and y coordinates. We found the equation is balanced. So A 7 comma 8, B minus 1 comma 8, C 6 comma 1, D A is 7 comma 8. Okay, A is 7 comma 8. Minus 1 comma 8, C is 6 comma 1, D is 0 comma 9 are the points on the same circle we prove. Thank you for watching. Thank you.